Hello guys! Today, I will try to get Sparkling, Shiny, and Mythical Nessie. So yeah, right now I only have Shiny, so I'm gonna try to get Sparkling. Oh hex. Oh, let's go! Sparkling. Now all we need is the Mythical Mutation. But if I get something like huge, probably I'll take it. Mutation Surge is about to end. Oh, this looks nice. I'll keep this for now. But on the next episode, when there's another mutation surge, that's where I'm gonna try to get either huge or mythical. See you guys.
Bye!